Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And today we are on episode 6 of our Beginner Knitters series, and we're going to do make one right and make one left. Now, we are left-handed knitters, so our make one right will lean toward the left, and our make one left will lean toward the right. You don't need to worry about that. If the pattern says to do a make one right, do a make one right as it says in the pattern, okay? Don't confuse yourself, but mine leans left, so should I do left? No. Don't worry about that because your entire project is backwards. It's okay that your increase leans the opposite direction, okay? Don't confuse yourself. You don't need to worry about that. Just follow the pattern as it states, and it will turn out. I promise you, okay? So we're going to do a make one right first. You're going to go, you know how like between your stitches you have these little strands here. You're going to go under the first strand and knit it. And you've just added a stitch between two stitches. Now, like I said, this is a make one right, and it leans to the left because we're lefties, and that's okay. So now we're going to knit this stitch, and now we're going to do a make one left. We're going to go under this the opposite direction, right? We're going to go from the front, go under that yarn right there. And then we're going to knit through the back loop. And now you have a make one left. Yes, it's leaning towards the right, but that's okay because everything we do is backwards. Let's try this again. Make one right, pick up a stitch from behind and knit it. Make one right there. Okay, we'll knit this stitch and we'll do the make one left. Pick up a stitch from the front and knit it. And that is how you do a make one right and a make one left. I hope this was helpful for you. Pop questions in the comments if you have questions. And share with anybody that you think this would be helpful for. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And happy knitting.